Hello, my love. Welcome to this yoga day special full body yoga flow. Let's begin with meditation. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and breathe out gently. Allow your mind to become calm and focused. Feel yourself becoming present in this moment. Now move into neck rolls. Gently lower your chin toward your chest. Slowly roll your neck to the right side. Then to the left side. Release any tension in your neck and shoulders. Now extend your arms out to the sides for arm circle. Make small circles clockwise. And now circles anti-clockwise. Feel your shoulders warming up and becoming more mobility. Your shoulders. Move into a dynamic side stretch. Reach one arm overhead and bend to the opposite side. Return to center and switch sides. Lengthen through both sides of your body. Come onto your hands and knees for cat-cow pose. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your chest into cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine into cat pose. Continue flowing with your breath. Stand tall in mountain pose. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead. Gently arch your upper body backward. Open your chest and take a deep breath. Return to center. Move into standing half forward fold. Hing at your hips and brings your torso halfway down. Step your right foot forward into low lunge. Lower your back knee to the mat. Lift your chest and look forward. Feel the stretch through your hips and legs. Now switch to the left side, settle into the posture and breathe deeply. Lift into downward facing dog. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Lift your hips toward the sky. Lengthen your spine and relax your neck. Lower onto your belly for cobra pose. Place your hands beneath your shoulders. Lift your chest gently while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Move back into child's pose. Rest your hips toward your heels. Send your arms forward and relax. Take a few calming breaths here. Step forward into warrior one on the right side. Raise your arms overhead. Ground through your feet. Feel strong, stable, and confident. Switch to the left side. Reach upward and maintain a steady breath. Open into warrior two. Extend your arms wide. Gaze over your front fingertips. Feel strength and balance throughout your body. Now move to the left side, stay focused and grounded. Come into tree pose on your right leg. Place your left foot against your inner leg. Raise both arms overhead with your palms together. Stand tall and steady like a tree. Focus on one point and find your balance. Switch to the left leg for tree pose. Bring your right foot to your inner leg. Extend both arms overhead and reach toward the sky. Feel calm, balanced, and centered. Move into forward fold. Relax your upper body toward your legs. Let your head and neck release completely. Enjoy this gentle stretch. Sit down for butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Feel a gentle opening stretch through your hips. Lie on your back for a sweeping twist. Bring your knees to the right side. Extend your arms outward. Relax and breathe deeply. Return to center and switch sides. Bring your knees to the left side, allow your spine and lower back to the release tension. Now come into relaxation pose. Lie comfortably on your back, allow your arms and legs to relax naturally. Close your eyes, let your entire body soften. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel gratitude for your body, your breath, and this moment. Thank you for practicing with me today. Stay healthy, mindfully, and keep practicing with me. Happy Yoga Day. Namaste.